Happy Ramadan, everyone! Today I'm meeting the sons of Shaykh Nazim. We just arrived, so I'll put the hijab on as it is technically a mosque. So Shaykh Nazim was a very influential leader of his time who had over 40 million students, and now his sons have taken over his legacy. This place is in North Cyprus and was originally his home, but has now been converted into a mosque where people from all around the world come to learn about Islam. The atmosphere here is something I've never experienced before. It's like I've stepped in a time machine back 1400 years. This town is a historical site, so nothing has been changed for over 100 years. Everyone is wearing traditional Ottoman style clothing. They are trying to live like the Sahaba did. All the food is completely natural and homemade. From the milk, the cream, the cheese, there's freshly picked fruits, dates. It's like a full-on community here where everyone helps out wherever they can. So this lady was from Kazakhstan and was making a traditional noodle dish from her hometown. They even had a traditional style clay oven. The place was so tranquil, completely untouched by the modern world. Unfortunately, I couldn't film too much in the ladies section as I didn't want to intrude on their privacy. But luckily, I did come with a group and the men's section was more relaxed. They were doing some old style carpentry, so traditional and so cool.
Brother, who controls all this? It's controlled by everybody. They work together as a unit. They like to share everything. They like to share the food. And anybody allowed to come and eat, so nobody control it. It's controlled by Allah.
It's so cute. Everyone brings a dish to share. This community is so multicultural. It's amazing to see. Kazakhstan, UK, Turkey, Germany, France, Brazil, Chile, Egypt. I love seeing so many different races and cultures all in one place, eating together, chatting, laughing, smiling, praying. It's like one big family. I was honored to be invited by one of the sons, Sheikh Bahauddin, to his place for iftar and meet his beautiful family. So it was your grandfather, right?
Yeah, he's my grandfather.
Wow. I learnt so much from these beautiful sisters. They were explaining to me their mission and legacy of their father, Shaykh Nazim, and how he was a master of guiding all different cultures and races to Islam through the love of Allah.
The feeling is warm your heart.
Now it's time to break fast. We made a prayer showing gratitude to God for the meal we are about to eat.
For our iftar, we just have our tea and dates. Then after we pray, then we have our dinner.
We broke fast with dates and water like the Prophet did. These dates were amazing. They were covered in peanut butter and chocolate. Yum. It was nice to slowly ease the stomach into food after a full day of fasting. Then the Sheikh wanted to give me some words of advice.
I believe that you are promoting the sincerity. Because Allah Almighty, He asking His servant to be sincere for He is the creator. When you are sincere, you will have a lot of enemy. Don't think I'm sincere and I'm free. No. Then the work will start. And the biggest enemy for you will be your ego.
Very true. Now we're going to pray. They gave me an outfit to wear. It was so easy to put on. It took me literally 2 seconds and I was ready for prayer. So cool. Prayer is finished. Time to eat. The food looks absolutely amazing. To be honest, I'm not even hungry. After almost 1 month of fasting, my stomach has shrunk. I've definitely seen the health benefits of Ramadan. There were noodles, sweet and sour soup, chicken, yaprak, dolma, beef, spring rolls, salads, soups. Oh, so good. We had some dessert and tea, and then we had a chat with Sheikh Bahauddin to learn more and discuss Islam.
MashaAllah, I follow you and I like it, all the time. I appreciate what you do. It is like you have touch of the heart of the people. You put the seed in his heart. The seed planting, it's you. MashaAllah. Exactly. Yeah. And what you do in your job here is very important also for us to realize that you are doing this for the sake of your Lord Allah Almighty.
100%.
I like to correct something. The body, it is have a 3 part. One part is the flesh, the bones, and the second is the ego, and the third is the soul. Now, here the most important one is the soul. You don't feed the soul. You feed the body, you feed the ego, but the soul is hungry. So hungry, one, how will be? Grumpy. And this is what you do.
Islam feeds the soul.
Exactly.
I guess that's why people who feed their ego hate Islam a lot as well because Islam is crushing the ego and feeding the soul.
Exactly.
Also, one of my goals this Ramadan was to work on reciting Quran. So the Sheikh helped me and it was an amazing experience.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Very good. If you ask me, I will be proud of you. MashaAllah, she's my daughter, you know. I will be proud of my daughter.
I've still got a lot to learn.
May Allah make everything according to your intention.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Then it was time for Taraweeh prayer and I did 20 rakats. Woo! It was a beautiful way to spend the 27th night of Ramadan. Hopefully it was Laylat al-Qadr.
Look at this, how many people are here
Look at
today?
this, and this is just the
400-500
fraction.
people. When people come here, they have no money, what happens?
They can stay for free, they can eat for free.
People come from all around
All
the world.
around the world, students, workers, everyone.
And this is Shaykh Mehmet, the son of Shaykh Nazim, who was his chosen successor. He was incredibly kind. He gave me some words of encouragement and a meaningful gift, which they only give out once a year on Laylat al-Qadr. I am so honored.
That was a gift for you.
Thank you.
For what you do for Islam.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Allah bless you.
That's an honor. Thank you.
Jazakallah khair.